there, kids! My name is Andy the Apple, and I'm here to tell you all about myself. Did you know that I'm not just any ordinary fruit? I'm packed with lots of yummy goodness and superpowers that can help keep you healthy and strong. First off, let me tell you about my sweet and tangy taste. Some apples are red, like me, while others can be green or even yellow. Each color has a unique flavor, but we're all delicious. I'm full of vitamins, especially vitamin C. This vitamin helps your body fight off those icky colds and keeps your immune system strong. So, when you munch on me, you're giving your body a big, healthy hug. And guess what? I'm also great for your teeth. Eating an apple can help clean your teeth and make your smile bright and shiny. It's like brushing your teeth with a tasty snack. There are so many ways to enjoy me. You can eat me fresh, slice me up for a snack, dip me in peanut butter, or even bake me into a delicious apple pie. So next time you see an apple, remember all the amazing things I can do for you, and don't forget to share me with your friends and family, because everyone deserves to enjoy a tasty and healthy treat. Thanks for listening, kids. Have a fruity and fun day. Bye-bye.